Welcome to ST Academy. Today we are going to discuss about an important topic that our CM KCR may opt for cancellation of inter second year exams. So in this video we will see what are the options are there for the government for the cancellation of exam and how the marks is calculated. Based on this we will discuss about this. Next is Hyderabad with the Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, cancel the 12 examination. The state to follow the suit and cancel the intermediate exams which have already been postponed multiple times according to Hindu. Now our CM is thinking to cancel the exam. Maybe 2 or 3 days they will take the decision, but the government is very serious to cancel the exam. Why? Because in this pandemic situation the students are worried. They are thinking about their exam, whether to prepare or not to prepare. The students are in confusion. For that reason the state government may take the option to cancel the board exam according to the Hindu newspaper. Now the students are totally concerned if their exams are cancelled. So how our marks is calculated? The answer is the state might consider first year marks to score to second year students. Means your marks is totally concerned on the first year. The marks what you got in first year, on those basis they will give you the second year marks. The reason is whenever any board they cancel the exam, they will award the student. As SSC we have an option of internal marks, so we got on those internal marks you will get, if any exam is cancelled you will get the marks on the base of internal marks. But in inter second year even practical doesn't happen, so there is no marks for practical. If practical exam has been happen, so you have an option on the base of practical exam you will get the marks awarded based on your practical exam. But for second year student there is no practical marks, and for that reason your previous marks, means first year marks, is the premier source to give the marks. Based on your first year marks you will get your second year marks this year if the exam cancel in Telangana. Next, there is no other option except to cancel the exam. The state have already made up its mind to cancel the exam and grade the student based on their first year marks. Parents are concerned. So many parents on the news channel, on the newspaper, they said the students are worried for appearing for intermediate exam due to this pandemic. If they are cancelled they can at least think about the competitive exam. Why? Because we have JEE mains exam, we have NEET exam, we have MSET exam. The students, they are in worried situation whether to prepare for the intermediate exam or to prepare for the competitive exam. So parents are concerned if the exams are cancelled the student can be relaxed. So according to the Hindu newspaper, the CM may opt for cancellation this time. Why? Because in this current situation he cannot conduct. We already got the news in the mid of July they will conduct the exams, but if they conduct the exams in mid of July, so what about the entrance exam? Because the NEET is going to happen in August 1st, or JEE mains is also the same dates are coming. For that reason the state government, they are contacting with the people, they are concerning about the students. The reason is that the newspapers are saying that the exams may be cancelled in Telangana. The final decision will be available, given to the media or in the newspaper in 2 to 3 days that the exams are cancelled. Now students totally relax. If they got the news that the exam may cancel in Telangana, now relax, prepare for your competitive exam, JEE mains, NEET and NSET exam. The most of the students, they are asking how the marks are calculated. I have given the answer. Your marks is calculated based on your first year marks. Thanks for watching.